Na Rympei U paidbah, Bri U Hynñiewtrep.
Now we come to item number 4, short duration discussion. Sri Ardent Miller Basoimat, MLA, to raise a short duration discussion under Rule 50 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business to an abnormal rise in temperature and extreme heat in Khasi and Janjia region, in particular the state government. The state government seems to overlook the impact of climate change and had recently announced many projects to be implemented ignoring the environmental aspect. Short duration notice has been signed by Sri Ardent Miller Basoimat, MLA, Sri Brightstarwell Marbanyang, MLA, and Sri Havingstone Karpran, MLA. Sri Ardent Miller Basoimat, MLA, you may initiate, please. And you are aware that this is a short duration discussion, so make it as brief as possible, please. Thank you.
So, at the outset, I would like to thank you for allowing me to raise this very important issue in the form of the short duration discussion. So, I would like to place on record that when I rise to speak on behalf of the Voice of the People Party and on behalf of the people of Meghalaya, that the party is not against the development of the state. However, sir, we feel that we cannot lose sight of the fact that the environment also needs equal attention from the government. So, before I proceed with my submission, sir, in a lighter note, I would like to congratulate, in fact, the Chief Minister and his team, the ruling party, for having shown their fishing skill, whereby they have successfully managed to fish 3 MLAs from the site, and they are now on the other side, sir. So, at the same time, sir, I would like to wish my best wishes and quick recovery for the Chief Minister so that he can attend the proceeding in this house.
I am very, very grateful to the Honorable Member of Nongkren Constituency, Ardent Basoimat, for bringing the short duration discussion, and who has also highlighted few important issues and also the concern for the climate change that has happened in our state, in our country, and it happens also globally. Sir, before I also reply, on a lighter note, I would like also to say that MDA and NPP party is not official. We are not official. But of course, we welcome anybody who wanted to join NPP, sir. I think this has happened, it proved that NPP has shown the good intention in saving the state of Meghalaya.